G'day folks, welcome back. Today we're doing another redo. Going to do this 4 colour drop that I tried to do a couple of weeks ago, except I didn't add enough Floetrol and the paint was globby and it dripped everywhere. So I'm hoping today's a little better. And it's also going to try something a little different. I'm going to do a limited number of swings on the white canvas, and I'm going to grab the pot, run around to this black canvas and just let the rest of the paint go blah blah blah, and I'm just gonna do some silly stuff. So we'll kick this off and we'll see what happens. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and see what this does. Alright. That's enough swings on that, and we'll just run this over here. Whoops. That was good fun. I'll let this do a couple of drippy drips. And let's give you folks a look at the silliness. Right. Doop, doop. Hopefully you saw a bit of that, just a look. Oh well. So, let's give you a look at this one first. So, this is what I did off to the side with the rest of the paint. This is on an old canvas that had oil paints on it. Reacted weird with the acrylic, so I thought I'll do this. The weirdness really looks, once you start getting in on it though, some really cool stuff going on. But the main piece was actually over here. So let's get this pendulum out of the road and have a look here. So I really like this one. I did something a little different. Instead of putting spin on it straight out of my hand, I just let the tension on the cord speed it up, and I think I really like what's going on. Kind of looks like a weird
cardiograph? I don't know, but all I know is that I had this horrible urge to redo this painting, and I'm glad I got it right. I think I got it right this time. This is kind of what I envisioned. I have noticed that with the slower speed, I don't get those really nice chaotic loops, but I've got plenty of them over here. Like, I was just getting the tin and spinning it around a lot, and as you can see, it's done some really cool stuff. So I might try painting like that, just put a foot of cord on it and just spin it around and move it around the canvas chaotically. But I think I like what happened on this too. It's very silly. But yep, this one, not a disaster piece. Quite happy with it. So anyway, folks, just want to say thanks for stopping by and checking out the weirdness. I'll see you all next time.